Hello, my name is Jessie Carell, and I'm a digital literacy advocate, and I'm also the founder and executive director of Hands-On Media Education. I have been designing, developing, and delivering media education workshops across Canada with students and teachers, parents, and organizations for the last 18 years. My passion is empowering students and teachers with the critical media and digital literacy skills to thrive in the digital world. Digital literacy is no longer optional, but a necessary set of skills for our learners to have in the 21st century. Over the last 7 years, our team has been very busy, delivering a whopping 450 workshops with over 16,000 students, 2,000 educators, in 75 Canadian communities. With the power and reach of online education, we have now been able to increase our impact right across Canada and the world, using a variety of co-taught and virtual workshop delivery formats. This is why I and a small team of experts have come together to create a brand new free resource for you, and it is called Home at School, a complete iPad animation workshop for grades 3 to 8. But why this activity, you may ask? Stop motion animation is an example of a blended learning activity, using both digital and tactile elements to engage the learner. Students work collaboratively to solve problems, self-evaluate, and learn critical digital literacy skills, such as video editing, photography, and sound design. Stop motion animation is a great digital literacy activity for storytelling, language development, teamwork, and creative expression. Animation is literally the creation of magic, which aligns very well with young learners' sense of play and imagination. This free, ready-made, downloadable workshop is an engaging, creative, hands-on digital literacy activity for grades 3 to 8. It allows your students to learn powerful and transferable digital and media literacy skills. It is easily adaptable to topics and themes already being covered in your classroom. It is an accessible way to integrate technology into your classroom and support hands-on learning. This is not an add-on, but directly tied to media literacy outcomes already included in Canadian K-12 curricula in each province and territory. But what does this resource include, you may ask? We have developed all of the teacher-facing resources you may need, including a classroom and equipment setup overview, accessibility and adaptability options, additional digital literacy resources for further learning, and contact information if you would like a co-taught version of this workshop. We have also provided downloadable student-facing workshop content in the form of Google Slides and PDFs, which you are free to use and adapt either on or offline. These resources are full of colorful visuals, videos, and tips for you and your students to learn together while having a lot of fun. And finally, we are thrilled to announce a new Hands-On Media Education Media Educator certification, which you will receive upon completion of this workshop with your students. I am so happy that you have joined me and our small team on this fun and educational workshop journey. If you have any questions or feedback, I would love to hear from you. You can email me at jessie@handsonmediaeducation.com. We are here to help you and support you in any and every way that we can. Thank you for joining us on this Home at School experience.